had some leftover clay, both air dry and cold porcelain, and I wanted to make something out of them. Hi guys, welcome back to Zanshi TV. Aiming to make some magnets, and this time I'm really serious about them. I'm not gonna wing it. I did watch a few videos, and this is one of the videos that I referred to. Thinking of making certain designs in 3 different types of material or medium. The first one's gonna be air dry clay, the next one will be cold porcelain, and the last one will be shrink plastic. So I will try my best to finish all of these and see what my experience is and how it goes, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video and get some ideas on what happens with each medium. Okay, let's get on with it. So I'm done with the air dry clay part, and I'm going to move on to the cold porcelain. I'll just wash my hands and the station, and I'll be back. so I am done. I'm abandoning the rest of the clay because it's just too damn hard. It's too hard. Maybe if I want to do like whites, maybe, but it just gets dusty really easily. But then when you try to infuse the color, it's just too hard. These are the 3 things I made, and it took like more than 2 hours, so yeah. And this is my first time adding a keyring to it, like an eye pin. And this is a Tamagotchi character that's specifically made for Hobonichi, and I made a Hello Kitty, which came out better than I anticipated. So yeah, I'm just gonna dry it in here and put it in my cupboard because it's just too dusty outside.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2 outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.
Now before I color all of these, I'm going to do a little bit of rough sanding because as you can see, I'm totally a beginner and want to make the surface as smooth as possible. So let's do that. I'm going to do this outside and come back after I'm done with the sanding. Sanding is done. It took some time, but definitely helps to soften the edges. I'm going to add magnets to these first, and then I'm going to start painting. Okay, now we're moving on to heat shrink keychain or charms, we'll see. And this is what I came up with. I've already traced the Suit Sprite and the Mamechi, and I'm making a keychain for my husband. We're gonna trace the design. It's just a lot easier if you do that. use UV resin to cure and coat everything, glaze my magnets. I did make some charms. They turned out fine. It's just this one thing kind of ruined everything. The eye pin was not rust resistant, so yeah, as it was drying it rusted. So yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna glaze this. I'm just gonna keep it like this. And these are the air dry porcelain clay that I made at home, but it came out so cute. I'm pretty proud of myself. So let's start our glazing process. Lighting is very poor in here today. It's just weird, so bear with me. But here's how everything turned out. These are air dry clay magnets, and these two are porcelain clay, which is also air dry, but it was sort of like fail because of this rusted eye pin. I do like the look of this, but I also like the look of this, and I also like the look of this, so I don't know. Our paint palette, I told you the resin is not good because it made everything yellow. This is the notebook, my Hobonichi Weeks, which is going to be my workout health planner for 2026. So I sort of try to copy the same thing, but as I glazed this with the resin, the color totally changed. I learned a lot, and I don't know if I'll ever use cold porcelain because it is just a nightmare. I wish we had more access to polymer clay. I really enjoyed making all of this, especially this paint palette, even though it did not turn out great. And I do think the end results were pretty good compared to the fact that I am totally a beginner. This is like my second time I'm touching clay, and I do think shrink plastic is a lot more foolproof and easier to do compared to all of this. That is it for today, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles!